Jose Renon Canedo. Taon ako kay Till I Met You. Then, never be, 'cause I always thought the dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. Now I could swear love is just a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was till I met you. This feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. Till I met you. That's it. Oh,